In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads lead form to Zapier. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that grabs new lead form submissions from Google Ads and sends them straight into Google Sheets, so your team can act on them immediately. First, open Zapier and sign into your account. On the left side, click Create, then choose Zaps to open a fresh workflow. We'll start by setting up the trigger, which is what tells Zapier when to run. In the trigger search, type Google Ads and select it. For the trigger event, choose New Lead Form Entry. This event fires every time someone submits your Google Ads lead form. If you haven't connected your Google Ads account before, you'll be prompted to sign in. Make sure you connect the Google account that has access to the correct ads account and that your user has the proper permissions. If you use multiple customer accounts, double check you're picking the right one. Next, configure the trigger, select the Google Ads account you want to monitor, then choose the specific lead form asset you're using in your campaign. If you have multiple forms, select the one tied to the ads you're currently running. When that's set, click Test Trigger. Zapier will try to pull in a recent submission so you can see example data. If no sample appears, you can create a test submission from your ads lead form and try again. With the trigger working, it's time to choose an action. Click Action, search for Google Sheets and select it. For the action event, pick the option that adds a new row to a sheet, which is the most common way to log leads. Sign into your Google account so Zapier can access your spreadsheets. Now select where the lead should go. Choose the drive, the specific spreadsheet, and the worksheet tab that will store your leads. Zapier will show the columns from that sheet, and you can map each field from the Google Ads trigger to the matching column, like name, email, phone, and any custom questions you included on the form. Keep column headers clear and consistent to make mapping easier. When your fields are mapped, use the test option to pull the same sample lead through and preview how it will appear in your sheet. If the row looks correct, you're set. From here, every new Google Ads lead form entry will flow into your selected Google Sheet automatically, keeping your lead list up to date without manual copy and paste.